Have you ever felt shattered by rejection, as if one closed door defined your worth? You're not alone. In today's world of likes, swipes, and fleeting validation, rejection can feel devastating. You get ghosted after opening up to someone. Your job application gets ignored for the third time this week. A post you poured your heart into gets buried in silence. But what if rejection wasn't something to fear? What if it was your greatest teacher? As Marcus Aurelius once said, "If you are pained by external things, it is not they that disturb you, but your own judgment of them. And it is in your power to wipe out that judgment now." Welcome to the Stoic Code. In this video, we explore how ancient Stoic wisdom can help you turn rejection into resilience. 5 life-changing lessons await, each one a stepping stone from pain to power. Let's begin. Number 1. Rejection is not a setback. It's a signal. Rejection is often perceived as a failure. You didn't get the job, the partner, the approval. But Stoicism reframes rejection not as a punishment, but as information. You get passed over for a promotion. It might signal it's time to develop new skills or seek a workplace that values your growth. A friend distances themselves. It may reveal a misalignment in values or direction. Rejection becomes powerful when we treat it as feedback, not defeat. It forces reflection. It shapes resilience. And it often redirects us to places we wouldn't have gone by choice, but needed to visit for growth. Number 2. Self-worth comes from within, not from others. In a world driven by followers and filters, it's easy to believe our value is determined by how others respond to us. But Stoicism teaches the opposite. Your worth is not tied to someone swiping right, replying quickly, or praising your work. Let's say you pitch an idea and it's dismissed. That doesn't mean the idea was worthless or that you are. It simply wasn't the right time or the right audience. Ground your worth in things no one can take away. Your character, your discipline, your intentions. Nurture your passions offline. Build routines that reinforce who you are, not how you're perceived. That is the foundation of unshakable self-respect. If these insights speak to you, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. Become part of a growing community grounded in ancient wisdom, emotional resilience, and self-mastery. Let's walk this path together. Number 3. Calm is contagious, and cultivated rejection often sparks anxiety. You obsess over what went wrong. You replay conversations. You wonder, what did I do? But Stoicism gives us tools to pause. Instead of spiraling, we observe. For example, you send a vulnerable message to someone, and they never respond. Instead of assuming the worst, you recognize the silence isn't yours to control. What is yours? Your reaction. Calm is not passive. It's active. It's strength held still. And like any strength, it's built through practice. When we respond instead of react, we reclaim our power. Number 4. Detachment is strength, not apathy. In Stoicism, detachment means refusing to stake your identity on external outcomes. Let's say you start a podcast and it barely gets views. Detachment allows you to keep going, not because results don't matter, but because your why matters more. You're not numb, you're free to show up fully without needing applause, free to fail without crumbling, free to love, lead, and create without attaching your self-worth to what others decide. That's not apathy. That's courage. Number 5. Rejection reveals our resilience. Every rejection draws a line in the sand. Will you retreat or rise? You get declined from your dream school. You're told your art isn't marketable. You confess love, and it's not returned. These moments hurt, but they also reveal what's beneath the surface: your endurance, your faith in yourself, your willingness to keep going. The Stoics believed adversity reveals character. And in today's world, resilience is more than survival. It's your signal that you are not defined by this moment, but how you move forward from it. Sometimes the door that closes was never meant to open, and the pain you feel is life nudging you toward a more honest path. In the quiet aftermath of rejection, a new path begins, not away from who you are, but deeper into it. Let that discomfort be your compass. Let your next steps be led by inner clarity. And remember, this is not the end. It's the moment you turn inward, steady yourself, and step forward with grace. Commit to small moments of courage. Practice reflection, and trust that what's meant for you cannot be taken by rejection. It can only be revealed through it. Subscribe to the Stoic Code for more timeless tools to build the life you were meant to lead. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your insight may be the reminder someone else needs today. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Thank you for watching. Walk with courage, walk with wisdom, and until next time, keep walking the Stoic Code.